I would rather not discuss anything about the impeachment of Peter Sara. I would rather discuss the rules
Okay, sir.
over and above the impeachment proper. There are two conflicting rules. Both in the Senate, both present in the Senate. Maybe Senator Tolentino may be able to tell us what he did thereafter after they received the transmittal from the House of Representatives na yun ay tinatransmit sa kanila. But during that day, if I recall it, that night, they did not convene themselves as an impeachment court. So, natalo yun after they adjourned. Ngayon, yung dalawang conflicting rules na, mayroong rules of procedure sa impeachment trial na nung panahon namin na ako majority leader nun. At doon nakasaad na shall continue the session until final judgment of is rendered. Okay? Shall continue until final judgment is rendered. So, ever nag-adjourn o hindi ang Senado or ang Kongreso, dapat tuloy ang impeachment. Okay? Yun yung laman ng rules of impeachment ng Senate. Okay? Ngayon, dun sa rules ng Senate as a legislative body, merong conflicting. Ang sinasabi doon, all matters and procedures and proceedings shall terminate upon expiration of one Congress. On June 13, the 19th Congress will expire. So, conflicting ito ngayon. Ano mangyayari? 100% somebody will take this to court because this is a justiciable issue. No, being a justiciable issue, pwedeng i-take up talaga ng Supreme Court yan. Whether they may continue or not. So, kung ang problema dyan, pag nag-desisyon ng korte ng hindi pwedeng mag-continue, then sayang lahat ang gagawin ng Senate ngayon, papunta sa June 13. So, talagang dapat yan malaman ng maaga. Ako, rules-based yung thinking ko dyan. And then, 20th Congress ang patak niyan. So, right now, that is the situation. Basta on the impeachment itself, always ang advice ko sa mga kasama ko dati, at saka siguro sa mga mauupo in the 20th Congress, always observe impartiality. Walang kaibigan, walang kapagti-partido. Ano lang. Thank you.